Hey there! In this video I will be explaining how you can show, hide or replace certain elements on your clone. You can use this feature to replace your contact form, for example, to make sure that all automated emails are also replaced into the language of your choice. For this example we will be using a WordPress setup, but it works on all platforms that allow CSS changes. This example has an English original website and a French translation. Let's start by adding an element that we only want to show our English visitors. When we have created one, apply a CSS class to it. In this case, we will call it show-en. Next, we're going to do the same for the French element, to which we're going to apply the show-fr class. Save the changes and head to your custom CSS. Where exactly you can find this depends on your CMS and even the theme. If you cannot find the settings and you are using WordPress, the WP Code plugin works as well, which we are using in this example. You can download it for free by checking the link in the description below. Add a new snippet and make sure it is CSS. Start by typing a period, followed by the class you want to hide from the original website. In this case that would be period show-fr and end with an opening curly brace. Depending on the system, a closing brace will appear automatically. Between these braces type display, colon, none, semicolon, and make sure the last brace follows after. Then activate and save this snippet. To check if it works, head to the front end of your website and verify that the text for the French website has disappeared. The translated website will now also hide the French text. To reverse this, head to your Clonable dashboard, select the clone and go to the General settings. Scroll down until you see Code to inject at the end of the HTML head. Start by typing style between the less and more than signs. Then, make sure to hide the elements only shown on the original translations by adding the same display none logic you used on the original website, but make sure to use the other class in this case. Finally, we want the content that was hidden on the original website to actually show on this variant. You can do so by checking its display settings where it was visible. Head to the website, highlight the element and inspect it. There, you can search for display and copy the value. In this case, that is block. Apply a new CSS rule to your clone by copying the rule above, but change the class into the one associated with the clone and enter the display value you just looked up. Finish by re-entering the less and greater than signs, but now type /style between them. This change may take a couple of minutes to process, but it should show only the French text on the French website now. Also, make sure to verify the original website is still correctly displaying the elements.